Welcome back to 3.0 Functions and Modules. Let's go ahead and get started with this first one. So here's the first string that we're going to use inside of the function. So go ahead and copy and paste it. We're going to paste it into the function modules.py. So go ahead and do that. And we're going to put double quotes around it. And go down one and go ahead and indent it. And right here we're going to define a function. I'm calling it went to the store, and it's going to take 4 arguments. Alright, the first argument is going to be a number, and the rest of it is going to be text string. So right in front of what we just copy and pasted, put print, and on this part we're going to put %d for the decimal and %s. And go to the next one, %s, and the last one. Okay. Down here we need to do a condition so that we call the module instead of it just running in the background. So we're going to do if name equals some quotes name, which we'll be calling this function right here in 1 second. It's going to call went to the store function. And with this, you can just go ahead and put anything you want, any decimal. So you can put 4. So at 4 o'clock, Bill went to the store to buy food for dinner and came back with candy. So control save and run it. Let's see what. Sometimes you just mess up. So when you do this type of print, you need to make sure that you call them at the end. So save, run it again. Alright, so at 4 o'clock, Bill went to the store to buy food for dinner and came back with candy instead. Now let's go to the main function file. And what we're going to do is we're going to import that function. Sorry. Import function module from from function module import. You can either import all, since there's only one function in there, or we can get more specific and import went to the store. Okay, so now I just go ahead and this one went to the store, and let's pass in 4 different arguments. So we'll do 9 o'clock, and then put James went to the store to buy, let's see, a lobster, and came back with a can of soda. So control S and run it. It says at 9 o'clock, James went to the store to buy lobster and came back with a can of soda. So whatever's in here is whatever's in the main file being called, it's going to call it as long as you're running this main file. If you want to just run this one separately, it'll be changed. So something you can put in here. You can either leave it blank. It really doesn't matter. But when you do leave it blank in here, it's going to throw an error. So what you can do is just Alright, so since there's a number in there, we will just go ahead and throw in the value for it. And Control S. Okay, just at 1 o'clock. It's just generic on the side of the function. As long as you define the arguments in the main file, we'll go ahead and run it that way and save it too. Alright, so since we did the function module here, we're actually going to use it for the program in the previous tutorial, the word problem solver. So I'll go ahead and get that one set up and send it off to you guys. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, bye.